Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and as you can see, yesterday we popped right into our resistance mid of the channel, golden pocket, 55 EMA, all of the above. The only good thing is that we are above the point of control. If we close the daily like this today, above that point of control at around 19,300, we should look for further upside testing like into this 55 around 19.9, and then we know the same levels up as before, which is at 20,400 and 20,800. Then we can look for much higher. Okay, the top of this channel, once we get above this 19.9, is around 20,800. Yeah, so that's basically the one that we are waiting to break, and if we break above that, we got the 100 EMA and this fib target after that. This white dash line is a measured move from the mid of this channel and out if you break out. So these are the levels we're looking at above if we can get there. It's all level by level. First, let's get above 19.9, and then we can look for 20,400 and 800. All right, so let's go to a 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, we are just tested outside of our consolidation. Nice wick. Somebody was listening to the videos, and I guess they had a limit. Got into that short all the way back to the 21 basically. You better have taken the profit on that short. Now if you want to add to a long, you can add to a long because this breakout is testing the support. So yeah, I mean, this, when I say take profit on the short, I'm not saying close it out. All this happened was a liquidity grab. Okay, there's no reason why we can't just bust down now and take all the money again. Absolutely no reason. We're in the channel again. This channel, you guys have seen me having this drawn for how long? So we are waiting to see price prove that it's going upside by waiting for 4 hour open and closes here. As soon as you have this other open and close here, you can look for us to break into the 200, and then we have to have an open and close above it. This wick nonsense don't count. Okay, you need to have an open and a close above that candle, and then we can look for continuation upstairs. Right now, all that was that FOMOers got wrecked, and then all the people who had shorts early got stopped out, which is fine, guys. It's okay. You sometimes, you're gonna take a loss, but the whole plan that we had was still proper. The TA analysis that we had was correct. So if you got wicked out because you didn't wait for the exact level, that's, next time know to use lower leverage. I am still holding my positions, and we're gonna show you that in ETH in a second. Um, what else was I gonna say on the daily? Oh yeah, the weekly. All right, so I showed you daily and 4 hour. Okay, let me just show you one quick thing on the weekly, and then turn all this nonsense off. We don't care. Right here. If this week we close, all right, at this level or lower, so if we don't get above 19.9 like and above, we are gonna confirm this death cross this week. Then this head and shoulder, I do think has the possibility of just rolling down. We're gonna just, it's gonna hurt a lot of people. Only if we can close above this 19.9 can I say, all right, we can test into the 21 for the next rejection. All right. Until then, right now, the pressure is onto the downside now. Now every EMA is going to the downside. This red curvature that looked like we were gonna come back is officially now your resistance. This is the resistance going up. So I just wanted to point that out. And then this just happened now. Okay. Look it on CME. CME has also done it. So, I mean, if you want a clue as to upside, as soon as we can break above 19.8, 19.9, you can look for us to like test higher. Until then, this all looks dangerous. And the volume right now is lackluster because this candle just opened, so we can't really do anything with that. So yeah, that was the point I'm trying to make. Here's Ethereum now. Ethereum on the weekly is also doing it. Oh no, I did not notice that before. Well, there you go. The reason why I didn't see this is because on CME there is no 200 EMA. We don't have enough data to populate it. Yeah, that's why I didn't see it. I usually look at weekly on both, but yeah, we need to cross above 1400. 1440, I think, is the fib target, 1440-ish. with the 4 hour open and close, or like, you know, any larger candle above that, and we can look for testing into like 15, 16. Until then, it's pressure down. And this is CME. I'm gonna go to perps. Perp wise, it's also just crossing, and we're looking at like this week. If we can't close above 1440, we're gonna officially make that cross down, and then you're gonna push down. Like, there's no if, ands, or but about it. You gotta wait for that candle close. So that's what we're looking on the daily. Weekly, I mean, sorry, the weekly. The daily is doing what we wanted, testing into the resistance of 55. If we can claim above 1400, we can look for the next level at like 1480-ish. But this 100 EMA is, it's right now, I'm not even going to care about it until we get above this, because this looks like a trap. It showing you that the EMAs are going to cross bullish, but usually it's going to just suck the price back down under it, and it'll do it fast. So I'm not gonna get excited into New York Open on Monday if prices are green. I will be patient and fade it with my shorts. I'm not gonna be. I'm already long and short on ETH, but I'm not gonna get enticed by the price action. I'm short for 1346, something like that. So my price entry is not even that great. Here's the 4 hour. I got short like around here. 200, exactly at the 200 is where I got short. There you go. So if this 4 hour candle can close above that 1350 level, you can look for a continuation into the 1420 is what I was looking. 1420 to 1440. Yeah, these other levels are not as much important as the fib, which I have it. There you go. There you go. So yeah, this 1480, but I'm looking for 1440 because I was doing cell phone TA, and I showed you guys that on the cell phone TA. Also, ETH is above the POC, so you shouldn't be too bearish at this point. The only reason I took my short is because I told you guys I was, and I'm a man of my word. I don't care if it went above it or not. I have that short here. I have a long. I will my long. I'm gonna add to it if we open and close my 200 above. That way we can look for that nice continuation up. I didn't even also realize this. Fib time hit. Huzzah. So that's another interesting thing that I will look at later. I made him white, but this is fib time. So I will have to follow up with this. If we start gunning to the top side in pre-market, I'm just going to be aiming for this area for my short, my adding to my short. I'm gonna have a long added here, but I'm already got a short here. I don't care if it's underwater, and it's 100x cross leverage. So as my long is going up, it'll feed my short, so I'm not gonna really make any money. But over here, I will add to my short, and I'll close my long immediately. So that's my plan out of this breakout of this triangle. If we go under this POC at 1330-ish, I'll let go of my long and then probably re-add it over here and just let the short be in profit, because I'm concerned that we're basically gonna do the flush now. All the liquidity is taken, and people are getting excited for a top side. Everyone yesterday was like, "You're crazy for shorting," and that's exactly what I want to hear when the real short is there. So yeah, let's see. That's basically it on Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. Uh, let's quickly look at Dixie. My alert hit when I turn on my computer in the morning, and then I will get the heck out of here. So Dixie is doing its thing right into the golden pocket resistance. If we claim this, then I'm not gonna be bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'll be more bearish. Yesterday it hit my, so yeah, my alert was over here. It actually it tapped it, and then it just flew away. So yeah, we are literally just dancing in this range, the bottom of the order pocket to the golden pocket top resistance of this channel. Once this breaks, I'm gonna put an alert here actually now. Now it's not even the bottom. We want to break up this channel. Here, 12 seconds. Whatever. If this channel breaks out today on Monday, and I'm looking for Monday, Tuesday blood, and then maybe Wednesday reversal for other assets. Like, I don't think we should be going up today. Be careful on this. Yeah, we gotta wait today. Today, if Dixie closes under the golden pocket with the opening close under it, then we can be like, all right, we can look for much lower on Dixie, and we can look for higher on Bitcoin, Ethereum. If Dixie closes above the golden pocket today, I'd be very, very careful for a continuation just shooting up. So I'll be watching Dixie as well. That's basically it, guys. Just be safe, careful. No cowboy nonsense. Wait for your specific levels, otherwise don't trade it. Uh, don't let anyone get you excited and hyped. Yesterday we had a nice long Discord session. I was like having a great time, but I had got pulled away because I had to take care of other stuff. So I'm sorry I left. But yeah, Lums was there and a few others, and it was good. It was good. We need to do stuff like that more often, so we can bounce trade ideas off of each other because everyone has a different way of trading. I love hearing other people's stuff. I wanted to quickly look at this. Okay, so this is still into the resistance. So look at Atom fighting its resistance at the daily at 1223. If today anyone who shorted, I mean, you might have gotten the top, and you should definitely look at the profit, taking profit at 1105, and then you can look for lower profit. But yeah, that looks like a hit. This is even weaker. Algo's even weaker than Atom. Didn't even get to the 21, and it's rejecting out of our channel top, which we've drawn for I don't know how long. Here's MATIC. These, if you're short, you should definitely consider stop losses above the 21, so like above 0.32. But this, if it's true, is going to eat all of these wicks. Probably come to like this level over here, 0.29. And then on the middle of this channel, you can decide if you want to take profit or not. But this thing looks like it's just going to deep shark down. What else was I saying? MATIC. MATIC is at the 200 resistance, 200 EMA resistance. So you should expect a little bit of a pullback here, maybe to 0.85. It's been playing in this consolidation for so long, so I would just let it consolidate and use it to your advantage, the range. You should be taking your shorts off the 200 and closing your long profits at 200, and you should be scooping some longs on support, which is the 21 or the 9 for this asset. It's been respecting that pretty uh, pretty decently. Oh, here's Link. That's the one we were looking for. So Link is at the resistance, and I don't think it's gonna just pop up like that. It's gonna need to hold that daily um, $7. If it can't hold $7, it's gonna probably go lower tomorrow. And once again, right into our resistance at the top of the channel, and it's pushing back into the channel. If it can't hold above 680, you got issues for downside. But as long as it can open and close above 680, you still have a chance for sideways and up. So, yeah. Here's EOS. Sorry if you guys can hear my crazy. Here is EOS. Also, okay, so EOS is in a different situation. It's hitting the resistance, but it's holding the support. So this is what ETH did before it went to the 55. Okay, be cautious of this. If you're short, be cautious of 1055. Okay, that is support. So if you're trying to scoop along, you can scoop along here and then take profit at the 21 and the 55. If you're already long, you should have your stop, under probably this doji wick, 105, and then your profit taking starts at 109, and then you're gonna have to be patient, but this 118 can come really fast after the daily close. The daily has to close above 105 today to look for a higher. If not, you're gonna probably close under this red EMA and then touch the liquidity to the downside. EOS looks exactly like ETH to me. It did kind of a similar lower high situation. So ETH did this exact same thing last night before on the 4 hour before it went to the 55. This is just dragging a little bit, but just be cautious. I think this is gonna go a little bit higher. I don't think you're gonna have risk to downside until you have like 4 hour open and closes under 105, in my opinion. So yeah. Um, that's basically it. Let's go quickly look at ETH one more time, and then I'm gonna let you guys out of here. I think we're like right where I entered my short, so it doesn't even, for me, it's just gonna be a chill day. I'm not gonna really have to do anything. Um, oh, this is one of the issues with streaming. So annoying. The lag. So yeah, this channel I drew yesterday for us, and they just broke out, used the fib as support, and just did this nuclear thing. I was asleep for all of this. So to me, I woke up and we were coming back into this channel. I was like, oh, if you're breaking back in here, I'm a short. That's literally what I did. I just took the short due to the fact that we were breaking back here. Maybe I'll take my profit on the 100 or the 200, or I mean, yeah, I honestly don't know right now what price wants to do until markets open. I'll be patient. See, this little trend line thing is actually in decent part. Yeah, something like over here is when I want to act, or like all the way down, because it's trying to do like a head and shoulders, like come back all the way down here somewhere if it wants to. That's gonna hurt some people who are too excited to buy into this, whatever this was. I don't even know. This just looks like a hunt on shorts. All that liquidity on the top. Ouch, 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 ouch. Look at this volume, all on the top. So who FOMO'd into here, got wrecked here, or bought the dip here, and then thought we were gonna break out, and then just as this is happening, they're just tight butt right now. Like, oh, please don't go lower under than this, because I'm gonna get stopped. And the market maker is just like licking its lips, going like, oh, dump it, find the support. Yeah, let's see, let's see, let's see. All right, well, that's basically it, guys. Be safe. I'll see you guys later today. Adios.